Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Let us see how art can be utilized in the learning process. So here I have taken the topic production. In economics, we can see consumption, production, exchange, distribution, public finance and planning. These are the major 6 subject matters. And when I taken the production, we can see that that concept is having a wider meaning. And what is the definition of production? Production means creation of utility or addition of utility to the goods and services which are being capable of satisfying human wants. So creating utility means a farmer is cultivating wheat or farmer is cultivating rice. That means elementary utility is created. Yes, the farmer has created wheat, so the elementary utility has created. Then what is adding utility? That wheat can be converted into some other forms, biscuit or wheat flour. So you can see that, or the broken wheat. So the utility can be raised. Whatever in the form of wheat may not be giving utility to all of them. When it is converted into wheat, broken wheat or wheat flour to make chapati or puri like that, and or converting into biscuit, it is having more utility, and so adding utility to goods and services which will enable to satisfy human wants. That is a definition of production. Yes, when we say about the production, we can see what is done with the production process. In order to produce a commodity, what are things we needed? Here we can see, first of all, we needed land. Yes, we needed land, we needed. Yes, then we needed labor, And more in detail we go, you can see that this labor, when we are starting an industry, first of all we needed certain managerial staff also. After starting production only we needed more labor. And some other casual workers also we needed for the construction purposes. So here labor itself is having different varieties of different types of workers will be there. So land we needed, the workers we needed, the laborers we needed, then we needed capital. Yes, what is the meaning of capital? Capital is man-made, but land is a free gift of nature. Then capital, with the help of capital, we are able to produce. That is, capital is a means of production. Yes, capital is an instrument of production, or it is a means of production. With the help of capital, that may be a tool, that may be an equipment. Here I have simply drawn some pictures just to say that like that capital will be installed. Capital, that is in a land we will build, the buildings will be constructed, or before itself sometimes the machinery may be installed and the construction work will be going on, and so the machines are installed, and that is capital. And one more definition is there. Capital is that wealth which yields further income. That wealth which yields further income. If you are depositing money in the bank, that is also known as capital. Yes, that is also known as capital. Why? That capital is getting rate of interest. So when you are depositing in a bank, the money, whatever you are having, you are depositing in a bank, that money you will get a rate of interest. So that is also a capital. So capital is man-made, capital is an instrument of production, capital is a means of production, and capital is that wealth which yields further income. So here, these all things we can see the capital what we are used. And so I told you land, labor, capital. So the land is there, labor is there, capital is there. So one more important determining factor for production is the entrepreneur. What is the duty of the entrepreneur? Entrepreneur assembles these factors of production, these land, labor, capital, these factors of production. And so here we can see that he will find out the land, he will construct the building, or he will hire the building, he will take the land for rent, and he can see that the building, install the machines, and after all, you know that he will start production. So we can see that the raw materials needed, fuel needed, power needed, water needed according to the nature of the industry, nature of the firm. Nature of firm means several firms together, we call it as an industry. Yes, so this is a production unit we call as land, labor, capital and organization. If it is a larger scale or a smaller scale or in a medium, you know that we need land, labor and capital. So here we can see the production process going on. There may be raw material, there will be semi-finished goods, and after all we are getting the output. So what is coming out, this we call it as output. And what we are used it, we call it as input. Yes, what we called it as input, what it comes out, it is output. So what is coming out? That is output. This output should be sold in the market. So this output is sold in the market. By selling output, how much you get? That income should be shared. The income from production should be shared among the 4 factors of production. What are they? Rent for land, then wages or salaries for laborer, and rate of interest for capital, because this capital, how we are getting this capital, most often the entrepreneur will borrow money from the bank. After borrowing money from the bank, he has to pay the rate of interest. So the rate of interest, so rent, wages or salaries. What is the difference between wages and salaries? Wages means that for a contract basis, or how much time a worker is working there, that labor will get an amount of reward. But salary may be fixed by the employer as a terms and conditions. It is a fixed amount, but wages vary with the level of output or with the level of work done by the worker. Wages or salaries and rate of interest, wages and salaries also we can see, and the rate of interest, and the entrepreneur should get the normal profit. Normal profit means he is taking 2 important functions. The entrepreneur is taking 2 important functions, that is risk taking and uncertainty bearing. When the commodity is coming out, it is not sure that it can be sold out. If it is sold out, there is a risk or there is an uncertainty. As these days in this COVID season, we can see that several industries, several factories could not sell out their products. And so we can see that that is uncertain. Now also the people are living in uncertainty that when this pandemic will finish or end. So we can see that so the rate of interest and the normal, whatever the work he has done, whatever uncertain risk taking he has done, how many, that is what pains and sacrifice he involved in the assembling the factories of production, you know that he should get a reward, that we call it as normal profit. If something more he attains, that we call it as abnormal profit. If something less, you know that means the entrepreneur is incurring loss. So I hope this is factories of production, the process of production, and after all getting out. So this is output and this input output relationship, we call it as production function. Whatever I wrote it here, it is related to several other topics also. In economics, it relates to this we needed, these basic things we needed to learn of the cost of production. There is money cost of production, real cost of production, opportunity cost of production. There we needed the money, this concept we needed. What is fixed cost? What is variable cost? What is average cost? All this purpose we needed these basic things. You should know what is the basic concepts. That is I wrote here. And regarding the plus 2 CBSE class, we know that you are learning the circular flow of income. In the case of the circular flow of income also, you should know this, what are the factor services and what are the factor payments. This section we call it as factor services, and what they get from it, the income what we get one side and goods we will get another side. So this is factor payment and the supply of goods and services. and how it can relate to other subjects is go through if the product is some other fertilizer or some other food items, how much nutrition content is there. That way we can see that if a fertilizer using, a pesticide we are using, insecticide we are using, or some type of researches we are doing, so that way we can connect and how much calorie of energy is produced by having the particular food item or particular type of cereal. So you know that, so that way we can find out the possibilities and how many kindles we have produced, how many tons we have produced, what is the price we get, how much maybe the marginal rate or the market price, the maximum price can be imposed. So this is also connecting to different subjects. So through the art, what is the importance of art, and we can see that we are learning a topic and at the same time we are experiencing in real life what we can see. Is here we are experiencing that is the coming out, the biscuits are coming out. From the biscuits the children are understanding that this is a real life situation after assembling the factories of production. And after all, it should be marketed. For the marketing, what are the techniques should be used? And when a product comes in the accounting room, you know that the accountant has to go through what all things, what is a credit, what is a debit, and like that, how much income borrowed, what rate of interest they have to pay, and several other charges, power charges on power, water, raw material. A lot of things regarding accounting will also come. How it can be marketed, whether a new technique should be adopted. Selling cost, that is cost involved in the salesmanship and advertisement. So altogether we can see in a simple way, we can see this is the basic thing regarding production. I hope you understood. Thank you.